life is bigger than you, and you're not me. The lengths that I will go to, the distance in your eyes. Oh no, I've said too much. I set it up. That sets me in the corner. That's me in the spotlight, losing my relation, trying to keep up with you, and I don't know if I can do it. Oh no, I've said too much. I haven't said enough. I thought that I heard you laughing. I thought that I heard you sing. I think I thought I saw you try. Every whisper of every waking hour, I'm choosing my confessions, trying to keep an eye on you, like a hurt, lost and blind fool. Oh no, I've said too much. I set it up. Consider this the hint of a century. Consider this the slip that brought me to my knees. Fail, what if all this fantasy's come way around? Now I've said way too much. Thought that I heard you laughing. I thought that I heard you sing. Ooh, I think I thought I saw you try. That was just a dream. Try, cry, why, try. That was just a dream. It was just